guys, Rich Project here, and as you really like the previous video about Amazon, so I decided to record this video about the most profitable products on Amazon. Hope that you enjoy this video. Without further words, let's jump into it. So guys, in this video we're going to talk about the most profitable products on Amazon and how we can detect the trends and how we can take a serve on that trend and make a lot of the money. So let's first we need to do is you need to click here and search something simple, like for example pants, like big pants. Okay, as you can see on the front page you will see the most selling pants on that page with the biggest revenue, uh, with the biggest rates and all that kind of the stuff. Okay, and what we need to do, we need to serve that average customer up. Okay, so from the upper to the lower. Brand, let's pick a brand and find maximum. You need to sort the products to some filters, and that we need to check out. Okay, let's check out this pen. As you can see, this Sport G2 Premium Refitable Restaurant Rolling Bell Get Pants 5. Okay, list price 25 bucks. Price now 11 bucks. Okay, yours. You save 14 bucks. Okay, but we are not going to do that. You need to check how much. You need to see the statistics. How much people bought that pen in the last couple of the months, and so that. And we need to look back to the previous page, and as you can see, 3,000 4,000 people bought already that pen. As you can see, this pen is much more popular than this pen because it's only 700 people bought that. Despite this price is much higher than this. Okay, so what you need to know about this? Like you need to sell the products. They are a lot of the traffic and a lot of the people wants to buy it. It could be pants, it could be caps, it could be like tea, coffee, like whatever products you want. And if they are and you need to pick the products with the best seller. Okay, like as you can see here, 4,000 and here 6,000 people bought already that products. And if you scroll down, yeah, it could be like for here, and you see then it's all just less and less, like only 42 people bought this pants. And as you can see, uh, they are all almost the same, but still the promotion and other stuff. But for some reasons people don't like this. People like to be concretic, so if you can see here, it's just simple and attractive picture here. Picture and developer is almost important. So let's let's give you some sum up. Okay, first you need to pick up the products, whatever you want. Just search it on Amazon.com. Next, you need to filter that products by the rates or the price or the colors and other stuff. Then check out the prices. If you can make prices lower, so it will be good if you can do it, and this is important. And the last one, check out the last one, but more important, you need to check out how much people bought their products and how much traffic these products have to on the people's minds. And if it's really like 6 or 4,000 here, which is the best selling products, So you need to start to sell that products, and maybe you will be like this guy who sold only 700, but still he is with the best seller. Okay guys, hope that this information was useful for you, and some of you will uh, earn money on Amazon by this technique. So guys, hope that you like this video. Please write me in a comment what you want me to talk with you in the next videos, and as always, earn and spend money online.